This tutorial illustrates how we use the mMAPS analyzer to find coincidence. The mMAPS analyzer is activated through the shortcut in this case. The data files are typically stored in here as text files. Currently CH1, CH2, CH3 are for QD 605, 488 dies, 647 dies. S and are set to 300 or larger if the channel is not in use. Here we can use the same settings for all channels. The results are 7 possible combinations of coincidence data, and the baseline of noise for the 3 channels. These are the data we paste to the Excel template.